Side BC, CA and BA of a triangle ABC are produced to D, Q and P respectively as shown in the figure. If angle ACD equal to 100 degree, angle QAP is equal to 35 degree, then find all the angles of the triangle. In this problem we have given a triangle ABC. AB side produced up to P and AC up to point Q, and BC side produced up to C. Then this angle ACD is 100 degree which is given, and the angle QAP is 35 degree. Then we have to calculate all other angle of the triangle, means this angle, this and this. Solution of our problem is, first of all we write which have been given angle ACD equal to 100 degree and angle QAP equal to 35 degree. Here BAP line cross with the line QAC at point A, then this angle QAP equal to angle BAC, because we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So in this way we can write QAP equal to angle QAP equal to angle BAC, and this is equal to 35 degree. So this angle is 35 degree. BCD is a line, and angle ACB and ACD form a linear pair, and sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree. So by applying this we get angle ACB plus angle ACD, this is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. And the value of angle ACD is 100 degree. So angle ACB plus 100 degree, this is equal to 180 degree. Taken 100 to the right hand side, we get the value of angle ACB, and this becomes 180 minus 100, this is equal to 80 degree. So in this way we also calculate the angle ACB, and it is 80 degree. Now we have to calculate the value of angle B. So for calculating the value of B, we apply here angle sum property, because here two angles are known, then the sum of these angles equal to 180 degree. By doing that we get the value of angle B. So by using angle sum property of a triangle, so angle B plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. This implies angle B plus the value of angle BAC is 35 degree. So put here 35 degree plus angle ACB, and angle ACB is 80 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. So angle B plus 80 plus 35 is 115 degree equal to 180 degree. Taken 115 to right hand side, angle B equal to 180 minus 115 degree, and this is equal to 65 degree. So in this way we calculate the value of angle B, that is 65. So this angle becomes 65 degree. So in this way we calculate all angle of the given triangle.